Alright, we're talking about 11.4, how to run this in the experiment. So of course, in the beginning, we're going to create experiment. And we're going to create a couple scenario over. Okay, I'm going to change this from 600, 700 to 800. Okay, and copy it also. I'm going to do a couple more. So in total 9 different scenario. First, I'm going to copy all the order up to level, replicate it, and this is going to be 400 range for the reordering point. I'm sorry, this is 300. It's going to be 500. So we're going to let the initial inventory stay the same, manipulate some of the reordering point, and also change some of the order up to quantity level. I'm going to let also the review period stays the same and see how that's going to go. So also, since we're going to compare, we're going to set up some measurement for that. I'm going to add some responses. I'm going to add 3 of them for now. And the first one we're going to call average inventory. Okay, average inventory, actually we have this statistic on the inventory, and we want the average. Okay, that's part. And the second one we want to use is so-called average service level. Okay, and average service level, also we have the tally and average as one of those. And the third one is more of balance between those two. So the inventory level, I'm trying to minimize inventory level, and service level, I want to maximize it. So, and the third one is actually the balance between those two. We call the inventory level versus divided by service level. So we want to trying to balance both of them, and the expression is fairly simple. Statistic, the inventory average, okay, and divided by tallies and average, service level average, okay. And that part I want to also be minimized, because we want to minimize the inventory, maximize the service level. And if I'm using division, so this overall terms I want to be minimized. So these are the 3 possible outcome I want to compare, and then we run this experiments. And we get the level of average service level and average inventory, and so-called inventory divided by service level. So this is the first run. And also we can set up a so-called minimum discount lower bound. So for service level, I want at least 90%. You see this one's got rejected because it's lower than 90%. So these are the situation we can use all the model properties as of model parameters, and we can manipulate different one of them and to see what level of inventory place we can do to be let me do this again, see if that works. Oops. So it's 300. Let's do 400 right here instead of 500. I'm going to do 200 over here. Let's see what happened. Okay, I'm going to rerun, and you will see there will be more. Okay, items actually lower than 90%. So you will see that will reject actually 4 out of 9, and depends on which one. And if you do a subset selection, actually average inventory, the first scenario is the lowest, and the eighth scenario is average service level is the highest. And if you look at the ratio between the inventory level and the service level, and the scenario number 4 is the highest, lowest. I'm sorry. So that concludes this section.